Taking a look outside and look at those clouds. We love to see clouds, and it's just a really beautiful image there, looking at the mountains and everything.
And
but
also
yeah, it's
they
dry.
bring.
It's still dry out there.
Right. But it's not going to be that way for long. I want to bring Kathy in here. Kathy, that is a beautiful picture, as Kim points out, and rain will follow that we need.
Yeah. Did you guys notice there just wasn't a ton of smoke and haze up there?
No.
Is that better too now?
So that's a good thing.
Yeah, good visibility. We're still dealing with some of that haze here in Denver, but we're about to see a big improvement over the course of the next 24 to 36 hours. So hang in there. Like you, I miss that beautiful Colorado blue, and it's coming back along with some cooler weather and some rain. Outside right now, we've been dealing with air quality alerts for poor air due to that wildfire smoke coming in. Another little round of smoke will be in tomorrow morning, and then the blue and the green is really better air quality, better in terms of the smoke flow. So we're going to see a big improvement coming up here. So air quality alerts remain in effect through tomorrow. We've got one more day to deal with kind of the hot, hazy weather, air quality alerts, smoke, and temperatures today trending above average again. 93 in Denver, the triple digits in southeastern Colorado, prompting National Weather Service to put out that heat advisory through tomorrow. Colorado Springs down that I-25 corridor into southeastern Colorado, and this will again stay in play tomorrow because heat illness is a real thing in this part of our state right now. So, but relief coming. Good news on a Monday for you, and not bad out there right now. 89 degrees in downtown Denver. 91 out at the airport. This high pressure ridge is starting to shift east. After tomorrow, more of that tropical moisture will come up from the southwest. We call it the monsoon. It's a seasonal wind shift that allows for that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and from the desert southwest to come into the state. And the steering winds aloft are so weak that the storms move really slowly. Good news, bad news, we get some heavy rain. Sometimes we don't want that over those burn scars day after day, but that plume of moisture is coming back, rotating around the high from the southwest to the northeast. And it is northeastern Colorado where we're talking about the potential for severe weather tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch out for Sterling and Burlington. These storms have wind, lightning, also a little bit of rain, but some of that damaging wind potential, something we don't want to see. We saw damage and injuries over the weekend from some of those gusty microburst thunderstorms, and we're tracking a little bit of convection coming off the foothills, not holding together especially well. But if you live in Arvada, Broomfield, Commerce City, Aurora, back into Lakewood or Evergreen, it's possible you're going to get quite the wind event here in the next 30 minutes or so, along with some lightning. If you're lucky, maybe it'll be rain that comes with it. These are isolated storms tracking off to the east, and we're also watching the showers over some of those burn scar areas. So where the severe thunderstorm watch is, where Storm Prediction Center has that level 2 slight risk for severe weather tonight. And we'll see those storms drift off to the east and then move out. Skies will clear. We get another push of moisture coming in tomorrow. Denver has about a 20% chance of seeing a storm or a shower between about 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock. And then getting into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that's when things really change here along the Front Range. So lows tonight, warm again. 60s from Denver to Greeley down to La Junta, 40s and 50s in the mountains tonight. And then those numbers back above average again. 95 Denver, triple-digit highs in southeastern Colorado. So you can see why we've got that heat advisory extended out for this part of our state through tomorrow afternoon. Here are your forecast details. Partly cloudy, 66 degrees, an isolated shower. Tomorrow, same thing, mid-90s, mix of clouds and sun, hazy and warm, gusty thunderstorm possible. Here come the exciting changes. Wednesday, the beginning of the cooling trend at 91, low 80s Thursday, Friday, and for the weekend, but a 40 to 70% chance of rain every day, all the way through Monday. This is beneficial moisture we've been waiting for, and beneficial moisture we need.